Located in the lovely village of Zamoranos, this property is 1 hour 45 minutes inland from Malaga Airport and 1 hour 15 minutes from Granada Airport. As you can see, it's in need of a full renovation. The village has basic amenities, pharmacy, bank, a couple of bars and a shop, and is only 15 minutes from the lovely, absolutely stunning Priego de Cordoba with its main supermarkets and everything that you could possibly need. If you have any questions on the property that you've just looked at on the video or would like to arrange a viewing, please contact me, Leslie, on 0034 646 004 582. Ideally via WhatsApp, and then we're in touch. Look forward to hearing from you soon.